Gor Mahia take on Kakamega Homeboyz this Sunday at Mumias Complex in the FKF Premier League, and head coach Charles Akonor is confident after a strong week of training, while midfielder Enoch Morrison says the team is ready to handle the pressure and deliver results.
We analyze the situation and give them instructions what to do, and to be honest, what made us really happy was how they implemented it. We are looking forward to the coming match again. It's also a different game altogether. It's not going to be the same. And so, because the opponent also comes with different characters, long balls and all, and then they're very strong in the midfield. And so we will have to manage the situation very well, assess it, and then and today will probably be the final training. The rest of the training will take it somewhere else. And so we've started our preparation since Tuesday.
There's always pressure in Gor Mahia. When you're playing for a big club like Gor Mahia, there's always pressure, because every team that comes wants to show that you want to beat you. So there's always pressure to deliver in every match. So we have pressure, but it's up to us to manage how we are going to keep the pressure in our next game.
Very well, and it is that story that brings Wigan Prime to a close. But remember that tomorrow in Kenya's Bold newspaper, it is that story on Fight for Numbers, where President William Ruto's political footing is increasingly looking fragile as voter apathy deepens in his Rift Valley stronghold. These, together with many other stories on Kenya's Bold newspaper, the Sunday Standard. As well, you can get it on epaper.standardmedia.co.ke. That is where we close down. I'm Dennis Aseto, sign language interpreter. It's Wilson Mushara. Enjoy the rest of your viewing. I leave you with the weather.